What is this? What it be? What to do? Though? Back in this video. Yay! Okay, so I've been trying to use a Okay, I've been trying to use the camera. I've been trying to use my camera to work for you guys to see my face, so I don't look like this. Like you can see my shirt. Then if I put it at a special angle, you can see bits of my face. So look, see that right there on my face. But who does that? I'm not on Musical.ly, so I shouldn't be doing all that. Sorry, Musical.ly, but I just roasted you. Not sponsored by Musical.ly though. I ain't getting paid for that. I don't get sponsored by nothing these days. Nothing these days. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Don't you dare hit a dislike, because if you get a dislike, I'm going to be mad. Just know that. I'm going to be mad. Just know that. I'm going to be mad. Mad. You ugly. And that's how we're going to end that video.